Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The topic of today's lecture is character building of students. My name is Dr. Muhammad Arslan Ashraf, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Government College, University, Islamabad. Uh, as we know that counseling and guidance of students plays an important role in their character building. Guidance and counseling, therefore, is an integral part of education. Each element of education aims to develop intellectual abilities and shape the character. And besides the educational activity, this also includes the counseling of the students at personal level, and you can also teach students through various modes. Schools are institutions of formal education in which teachers play a role in educating, guiding, and shaping the character of the student in accordance with the rules of the norm to be personal morality. The character building of students become primary responsibility for neighborhood. Looking at various phenomena that happen on students today we are very concerned about even very disturbing government, communities, parents, and even teachers, so that character education curriculum is developed and applied in the education unit. The character of the folk nation is getting out of control, like smoking, defying parents and teachers, do not respect the teachers, do not assume the responsibilities as students, and less concerned with the conditions themselves and the surrounding environment. They do something beyond the limits of the reasonableness, even violate the established norms. The influence of foreign cultures has decreased religious values, and the excessive appearance due to follow the trend of the foreign cultures and being far from decency are adopted by the students. Values of decency simultaneously. Excessive appearance due to follow the trend of the foreign cultures and being far from decency are adopted by students. This can be seen when students ignore the responsibility as a student at school, neglection of the duty, does not obey the rules, cheating when exams. Even some students went to school wants to get a certificate of graduation without having to think about and plan for the future. Teacher is a friend of the student, a friend of students at school, and also teachers assigned to develop the potential of the students in accordance with its development and help realize the goal of education expected. The educational goals can be realized through intensive, effective, efficient, and sustainable counseling. Description of character development. The character building of a student is the effort made by teachers in order to establish the character of the students. One of the chosen school culture is the culture of noble character known as character education. Teachers in schools and other school staff together improve the quality of learning in education institutes. One of the efforts that can be done is to build the character of the students through guidance and counseling services carried out by the teachers. Teachers need to design and implement a service program and guidance and counseling services in the classroom and outside the classroom that can facilitate students to familiarize good or noble character. The purpose and function of the character building. The character building can improve the quality of the implementation and the results of the education institutes that leads to the achievement of formation of character and noble character of the learners as a whole, integrated and balanced appropriate competency standards. Through character development, it is expected that learners are able to increase and use the knowledge independently, study, personalize the values of the character and noble character so manifest in everyday behavior. Role and function of guidance and counseling teacher in building character of students. The existence of counselors in the national education system is declared as one of the qualifications of education educators, parallel to the qualifications of teachers, teacher mentor, lecturers, tutors, instructors, facilitators, and other designations that are in accordance with the specialization and participation in education. Based on the position alignment, counselor or tutor has the same function in achieving national educational goals. The teacher mentor is very important, plays very important role in character building of students. Therefore, to establish and build character expected, it is needed a teacher mentor who has the competence and characteristics as a counselor. Role of teacher to build student character. Identify the student and the problem. Plan education program in accordance with the needs of the students. Keep a record of students. Cooperate with the school. Implement institutional services according to the needs and concerns of the students. Carry out individual counseling or group counseling to alleviate the problem of students. Conducting personal development of students. Evaluating the students, carry out follow up, uh, analyze, conduct the conferences, home visits, and hand over cases if needed. Process of guidance and counseling in student character building. Define the problem faced by the students, the collection of the data, how many students face the similar type of problems. That collected data can be analyzed using appropriate statistical software. Then we can diagnose this problem, then evaluation and follow up. Development activities, developing discipline and self-confidence as well as raise awareness and manners, engaging students in extracurricular activities and scouting activities, increasing the self-development of students by organizing various competitions through student counseling activities, coaching talent interest through extracurricular activities. So we can conclude that to understand we should understand, teachers should understand the problems faced by the students. They should conduct a survey and find out how many students face same kind of problems. Then they should come up with a solution based on data analysis. Then they must help students realize their responsibility. uh, as a teacher, we should teach students the responsibility as an educated community. Thanks.